Hey everyone, welcome back to Noor Telecom. Today, we're diving into a quick and easy repair for your iPhone 14. Rebelling iPhone 14 NAND. Let's get started. We have already disassembled the layered motherboard. You are viewing a microscopic view. Now we are removing NAND from the iPhone 14 motherboard through a hot gun. Excessive heat will damage other micro-components. So, be careful during this operation. Applying paste and cleaning the connection points through hot gun. Now cleaning the motherboard connectors through soldering wig. Cleaning the NAND. Polishing the C connectors. Installing the NAND. And that's it. We've successfully rebelled the NAND chip. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Noor Telecom for more tech tips and repair guides. Got any questions or need further assistance? Drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching.